Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's question I got from one of my subscribers, and here's a question. A plant with the genotype heterozygous for the gene A is self-fertilized. If it has 40 F1 progeny, how many are expected to have genotypes homozygous dominant, heterozygous, and homozygous recessive? What are the frequencies of the allele dominant A and recessive allele A in the F1 generation? So, according to our problem, we have one parent which have to be self-fertilized, so parent 1 and parent 1. And we just need to build simple Punnett square, and we can predict frequencies of the progeny, the genotypes in F1 generation. And as you see, 1/4 is going to be homozygous dominant, 1/2 or 2 out of 4 is going to be heterozygous, and 1/4 is going to be homozygous recessive. And according to our problem, we are told that we have 40 plants in F1 generation. So what we need to do in order to find, for example, frequency or how many plants of the homozygous dominant genotype we are going to have in F1 generation, we just have to multiply 40 by 1/4, and expected number of plants in F1 generation going to be 10. As for the heterozygous genotype, we expect that out of 40 plants, 1/2 is going to be heterozygous, so 20 plants. And as for the homozygous recessive genotype, again 40 plants, we have to multiply by 1/4, and we expect that 10 out of 40 plants is going to be homozygous recessive. And as for the second question, what are the frequencies of the dominant and recessive allele in F1 generation? Take a look. Here's one dominant allele, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 dominant alleles, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 recessive alleles. So we can say that dominant allele would make 50%, and recessive allele A also would make another 50%. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.